Hello and welcome to another episode of TechThursday. Today, everything revolves around the topic pattern matching. And especially for our customers in the textile industry, it is very important as everything has to align perfectly. And to answer the question what pattern matching actually is, Björn has prepared something for us and is going to help us out.
Yes, hi. The pattern matching is needed if you have materials with a certain print or pattern. And if the cutted parts must align perfectly to each other, or the cutted parts must always look exactly the same, the pattern matching will make the life much easier.
Could you give me an example?
Yeah, I've prepared something. I've cutted these puzzle pieces out of our material, and when we put it together, they will fit perfectly to each other. So the pattern is complete. And here we have some typical materials from the textile industry. This material maybe is for a shirt, and if you want to cut out a pocket, it must fit perfectly to the surrounding area. That's what our customers use the pattern matching for.
And how does pattern matching work at eurolaser?
So for the pattern matching, we need our Position Plus Professional option. We have our material on the working area, and we do a scan of it. And then we have the image of the material in the software. And now the pattern matching will arrange the pieces according to the defined pattern of the software, and it will cut in the correct position.
Thank you so much for explaining.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.